Hey guys, Alex Ryan back at the Canton Fair. Huge haul. And this is day 4, finding products. I probably found at least, I would say, a good 25, 30 hot products at least by coming to this fair. And I'm looking for myself, not just myself, but also for a lot of my students. And you just see products left, right, and center. And you find products here that won't hit Amazon for at least another 6 months. I'm in the ceramics right now, and you see a lot of beautiful ceramics, new designs, and a lot of stuff. People gearing up for Christmas because we're in the October Canton Fair. A lot of people are gearing up for the Christmas sales. They're gearing up for basically what's to come over Christmas, right? With Christmas, what you'll find as an Amazon seller, there will be literally 80% of your sales will come in a time span of about 2.5 months. That's what I found from my experience and experience of my clients is the majority of sales will be in the 2.5 month period. And Christmas will be Christmas is really a good place to get started, especially if you're starting on Amazon. You're seeing more sales in Christmas than most of the year. So when I get prepared, or when I start preparing for Christmas, I start getting prepared around September. All right, so I start thinking about the products, I start mapping it out, planning out my Christmas niches, and I get ready and I get excited. I get more excited when it comes to the Canton Fair. Every year I come, I get more and more excited, I get more and more ideas. And the good thing about this is, it isn't just all about me. I'm not just finding products for myself, I actually find products for my students as well. So I'm constantly looking for products for my students. I'm constantly looking for ideas, and there's so many new ideas here. But if you're one of my students, I actually do, every single month, I actually send off product ideas to you, right? And I talk about product ideas. And when I come back from the Canton Fair, I have usually about 100 plus product ideas for my students and some product inspiration. Look at this, look how huge this fair is. It's massive. Thousands of people, so many ideas, right? And this is why you need to be at the next one, guys. All right, talk to you soon.